What's up, guys? We back with another one. We got a OBS step side from Peralta, New Mexico, down at Rob's Customs, getting a sunroof install used, but the Webasto, older Webasto ones. We're going to be doing the headliner. Got the headliner out. We'll be wrapping in black suede. We did paint the plastics on the inside how the customer wanted, and we are doing a little bit of touch-ups on the audio. Ripped out a bunch of his powers and grounds they had hooked up. They had a ground hooked up to a power. This was actually, the speaker wire was actually hooked up direct to the battery with no fuse. So we ripped all that out, putting all new wire in since he's here, and we have the seats out. Customer wanted it, so we're gonna go ahead and get them right. Here it is. Got all the wire, new wire pulled out. We got an actual rebolt. We're running a 4-gauge Rockford Fosgate power wire. Like I said, he was running, he bought the truck that way. It was wired up already, but he was running speaker wire with no fuse as his power, which is dangerous. New speaker wire. We got new speaker wires. He's running a 10-inch kicker, and then he has a small little box that's in the back there. New wire connected to it. That's his remote, which is not even a wire, it's like an electric wire for the house. We're gonna rip that out, put his remote back to his radio. Got the sunroof installed. We need to power it up, but we're taking care of his audio first. That way he has no fire issues, no problems down the road. I'm gonna clean all that up, make it look real good. You can see plating in the plastics. The other one's back there, sitting on the tailgate. Alright. We are running a fuse. Like I said, he wasn't running a fuse. We are running a fuse now, 4-gauge. With the fuse self-tapping, and then we'll connect it to the battery. That way if anything does ground out, the fuse will pop just how it's supposed to. Alright guys, this is the truck for today. We do got this other OBS here. We're gonna be doing a 3-link and famous for the bags, relocating the mount for the tank. It's gonna still stay there, but it's gonna have the mount for the 3-link wishbone and C-notch. Stay tuned for this video. Just a little preview. We are going from a 6-lug, convert it to a from 5-lug to 6-lug. There's an axle for it. So stay tuned for this one. Busy here at Rob's Customs as always. Shout out to my neighbor Frankie, helping me out. He always helps me out on these builds whenever I can't get my brother in, but we'll be tag teaming this one next. Stay tuned. We got the headliner to wrap in suede, put the seats in, and this one should be done. Alright guys, we got the wiring done. All we have to do next is connect the remote to the radio. But check it out. Everything's ran, mounted in. The amp was just laying back there. Wires everywhere. We had the RCAs just ran like that straight across under the seat. You can see the RCAs. This wire is for this box. This little 8-inch, 10-inch box. We'll connect that too. Put some connectors on that. We're gonna put the seat in, and then we'll start the wiring of the sunroof. We'll open it up, and then start the headliner. Just get it all done. All right, guys. Sunroof, suede, painted plastics. Check it out. Kind of hard to see the black suede in the daytime with the light out. Looks good. Painted the plastics. Did the audio in the back for him. Now it bumps. We just didn't do that part. We ran new 4-gauge wire, fused up. All the way to the back. Looking good. Check it out. Alright guys, another one done. I also did the sunroof on that other truck back there a while back. I think it's clean. He installed those the handles with the lights on them. I'm gonna have to do that to my GMC. Another one done. Rob's Customs.